In this tutorial, we will review how to build an A/B test in an Airship journey. Here we have a live journey with two messages. We can see that the direct open rate of message 2 is quite a bit lower than the direct open rate of message 1. Let's build an A/B test and attempt to improve the direct open rate of message 2. To do so, let's start a new experiment from the side panel. Let's choose the second message for experimentation and set the primary metric to engagement. For this experiment, we're going to try adding an emoji to the title of message 2 to see if that will improve engagement. I can now create the test message for the experiment. Here we see the original message on the left and the option to create the variant on the right. We can now update the copy for the variant message. Here we are in the composer for the variant of message 2, presenting us a copy of the original message. I'm going to add an emoji to the message title, as I believe this will drive more direct opens to this message. Here we see both the original and variant messages side by side with an emoji added to the title of the variant message. Now that the experiment setup is complete, we can start the experiment. And see that an experiment is running on message 2 of the journey. To get a better idea of how A/B test reports look with live data, let's check out a journey with an active A/B test. Here we have a 3-message journey sending messages across email, mobile app, and web. The experiment icon indicates that there is an experiment running on the first message. We can get a quick preview of the results in the side panel and can access the experiment report from here or from the green icon on the performance page. Diving into the results, we can see that we have an experiment running on message 1 where we are testing the inclusion of an image. We are testing whether the addition of the image will increase conversions for this journey. We can see that the variant message is performing 77.1% better than the original message, and the confidence level is at 99.9%, meaning that our test has reached statistical significance, and we can be confident that we would see the same results should the test be repeated. Now that our test has reached significance, we can end our test by selecting a winning message. In this case, we'll choose the variant and deploy the winner to all new users flowing through the journey. With A/B testing, you can incrementally improve the performance of your journeys over time and be confident of the impact your team is having with intuitive reporting.